DJI has been on a roll with new product launches this year, but one device that no one expected to see is now making waves: the Osmo 360, DJI's first-ever 360-degree action camera. A leaked image of a working unit has surfaced online, and while there's been no official confirmation, multiple sources believe it's legitimate. If these leaks are accurate, DJI is preparing to go head-to-head with Insta360 and GoPro, shaking up the 360 camera market in a big way. The leaked image first appeared on Chinese social media before making its way to X. Unlike some questionable leaks, this one looks legit. Experts in the DJI community, including Jasper Ellens, Occidental V, and Quadro News, have all analyzed it and believe it to be authentic. If we compare the design to existing 360 cameras, the Osmo 360 seems to be wider but shorter than the Insta360 X4. It's also narrower, but slightly bulkier than the Osmo Action 5 Pro. The leaked schematics from the FCC further support this, showing a compact, dual-lens design that enables full 360-degree capture. The design also includes a front-facing display, simple control buttons, and a sturdy-looking body that's likely built for tough conditions. One of the big questions is whether the slightly bulkier form factor will be an advantage or a drawback. While some might prefer the slimmer Insta360 X4, DJI's approach could offer better durability, improved battery life, or superior heat management, all of which would be key for action sports and travel enthusiasts. The Osmo 360 isn't just another action camera, it's a direct challenger to the Insta360 X4 and the GoPro Max. GoPro recently refreshed the Max with minor hardware improvements, while Insta360 continues to dominate the space with its X series. DJI has never been a major player in 360-degree cameras, but they've proven time and time again that they can disrupt established markets. Just look at how they revolutionized drones and gimbal-stabilized cameras. If the Osmo 360 follows that pattern, it could introduce features that set a new standard for stabilization, AI-powered editing, and image quality. DJI's reputation for advanced stabilization tech could give the Osmo 360 a real edge over its competition. If they bring over some of their drone and gimbal technology, we might see next-level smooth footage, even in dynamic and high-motion environments. While we don't have a full spec sheet yet, several features seem likely based on the leaks and DJI's track record. The Osmo 360 is expected to include high-resolution sensors, similar to those found in the Osmo Action series. This would allow for sharp, detailed footage with impressive low-light performance. One of DJI's biggest strengths has always been software, and if they integrate AI-powered features like automatic subject tracking, scene recognition, and smart editing tools, the Osmo 360 could be a game-changer. Advanced horizon steady stabilization would ensure ultra-smooth footage, making it a solid choice for extreme sports, vlogging, and travel content. One area where DJI could have a significant advantage over its competitors is wireless connectivity. According to leaked technical drawings from Photo Rumors and Hakasushi, the Osmo 360 includes antenna placements on both sides, which suggests that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity will be a major focus. DJI's Mimo app already offers real-time video editing and easy file transfers, so it's likely that the Osmo 360 will integrate seamlessly with smartphones, allowing users to edit and share footage quickly. Right now, there's no official release date for the Osmo 360, but the fact that the Osmo 360 has appeared in FCC filings means that it's likely in the final stages of development. Typically, when a product gets FCC approval, it's only a matter of months before an official launch. DJI has had a busy year already, with new product launches happening at a rapid pace, so we wouldn't be surprised if the Osmo 360 is unveiled before the end of the year. Pricing is another big question. Based on the competition, it's safe to assume that the Osmo 360 will be priced somewhere in the range of $500 to $600, putting it in direct competition with the Insta360 X4 and GoPro Max. So, does DJI have what it takes to compete in the 360 market? If they nail the software, stabilization, and overall image quality, then absolutely. Insta360 and GoPro have dominated this space for years, but DJI has a history of shaking things up with innovative tech. One thing's for sure, if this leak is real, we won't have to wait long to find out. Let us know in the comments. Would you pick the DJI Osmo 360 over an Insta360 X4 or GoPro Max?